Meaning of howitzer.
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 Howitzer. A howitzer is a type of artillery weapon used for firing shells on a high trajectory at short to medium ranges. It is designed to deliver its payload of explosive or incendiary material with a steep angle of descent, making it effective against targets positioned behind cover or in trenches. Howitzers can be mounted on a wheeled carriage or on a tracked vehicle, and come in a range of calibers. They are widely used in modern armies and have proven to be an indispensable part of artillery support in both offensive and defensive operations.